How to disable haptic feedback in Farlight 84 game. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you're playing Farlight 84 and looking to disable the haptic feedback to help reduce distractions, save your battery life and provide a smoother gameplay experience, then first of all launch open the game on your device. Once you're inside the main lobby, go to the settings icon at the top left. And from the settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and scroll down to vibration and tap on disabled right next to vibration. And once you do that, you'll be able to turn off the vibration or haptic feedback option. And that's it. Now, whenever you make a contact on the screen, pressing any of those buttons, you'll not receive any haptic feedbacks. Disabling haptic feedbacks will also help you get a smoother experience on a device, and also it will use less battery consumption. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.